In today's tutorial, I'll guide you on downloading and installing the RedNote app on your iPhone. First, open the App Store on your home screen and search for RedNote. Tap to view the app details. Then hit the install icon to download. Once installed, tap Open to launch it. Agree at the terms. Select at least 4 topics you like to customize your experience. Log in using your phone number or another preferred method. You've now set up the RedNote app. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the notification bell. Enjoy!